Hello, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to Settings, Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap More, Agree, Agree, Next. And now let's go back. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap Next, and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.